guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Phantom Wallet on Jupiter Exchange. First, open the Phantom Wallet app on your phone. Once it opens, look at the bottom right corner for the search bar icon. This is where we'll start navigating to the Jupiter Exchange. Tap the search bar and scroll down until you see trending sites. From the list of trending sites, select Jupiter. This will take you to Jupiter Exchange's mobile browser interface. Tap Open to launch the Jupiter Exchange browser page. Once the page loads, you'll see all the trading features of Jupiter. This is where your Phantom Wallet will connect to the exchange. At the top right corner, tap Connect. From the options, select Phantom Wallet and then tap Continue to Phantom. Your Phantom Wallet will now be connected securely to Jupiter Exchange. Now that your wallet is connected, you can start trading. On Jupiter, select USDT to sell or buy. You can complete trades, swap tokens, and manage your assets directly through the Phantom Wallet. This makes trading on Jupiter seamless and secure. And that's it. You now know how to connect your Phantom Wallet to Jupiter Exchange and start trading safely. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment below with your first trade experience.